is Kushal. Welcome to the channel Ammata Kushal. I'm gonna show you our farmhouse. Come here. This is snake guard. These snake guards are from these beautiful flowers. Here, this is the stem of the snake guard, and these snake guards grow in different shapes. And those are used for making new snake guards. Those are used as seeds. Come here. These are decorative leaves. They give us oxygen, so they just plant it here for oxygen. And this. Now I will show you another tree. Come here, friends. This is the plant tree of bottle gourd. Here, these are bottle gourds. They grow in different sizes, like this baby bottle gourd, and they just kept these sticks so that they would hang. So as they are some climbers, so they built this because this is a farm and there are many things here. So they need to plant many of those. So we have it. Now come friends, I will show you another type of tree we have in our farmhouse. This is a spinach plant. It is very small and it is very strong. It is very good for our health too. And come here. This is ladyfinger plant. I like the name of ladyfinger very much. Ladyfingers come from these small flowers, and ladyfinger. I will show you some ladyfingers. Come, let's search. Oh my God, there's a literal animal. I think they're not grown yet. Let's see the ones that are stored in the farmhouse storage area. We found one. See, this is one of the ladyfinger. If you can't see it, come let's see at the storage. This is Antiland friends. We just now planted like 5 days ago some seeds, and they have grown into saplings. We are not showing you near because the plants will get destroyed. So come, let's see ladyfinger. If you haven't. Hi friends, I forgot I will show you this chili plants in the way. These are chili. Red chilies and green chilies are the chilies that are not fully grown. They are found here. Come, I will show you green chili. This is green chili. We have a whole area of these, and these are all the green chilies we have. If you want, you can see some of those. I will show. This